Okay, you guys, we got the Suburban back. This is probably like the only time that I'll ever film it while it's really on the road and me not be in it. So here it is. We are driving it home, getting ready to go on our vacation tonight. We're gonna tow with it for the first time after getting the motor rebuilt. I'm gonna try to get on the side of him right now, but traffic's a little tough. Here we go. We got it back really last week. Then the number 2 fuel line was leaking, so we took it back. They had to get all new steel fuel lines and replace them for us. It was supposed to be done yesterday and we were supposed to go on our trip, but it got postponed because not all of the lines came in. So we got it today. We're headed home. We're gonna load up the trailer and shoot out for Easter weekend camping trip. We really haven't driven it since the motor, so we look forward to testing it out and seeing, you know, what it's gonna do. He did get a grill finally. Let's see if I can catch it. Tonight when we're towing, I will get a new video for you guys. If it's too dark, I'll probably just do it when we come home so that way you guys can see it during the day. All right, happy Easter.